Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. In the last class, we discussed houses in cities earlier and now. And we also discussed the houses in the villages earlier and now. These all parts we already completed. So today we are going to find out the differences between the houses in cities and villages. The houses in rural and urban houses we are going to learn today. Okay. Rural area means we know it is village. Rural means it is village. Village houses. Rural houses means village houses. Okay. Rural means village. Urban means it is cities. Okay, so we are going to find out the difference between the rural houses and urban houses. That means village houses and city houses. Okay, so I am going to draw two columns here. I divided two columns here, rural and urban. Now we are going to find out the differences between the houses found in rural areas and urban areas. Okay, so which is the most important difference we can write, children? Yes, we can find that earlier rural houses are built of mud and bricks. Okay, mud and bricks are used to build it. Okay, mud and bricks used to build it. So in the case of urban houses, what are the materials used, children? Yes, it is cement, glass, wood, etc. used to build it. Okay, glass, wood, these all are used to build the urban houses. So how the rural house is different from urban house? We find out one difference. What is the difference? Yes, the rural houses are built of or made up of mud and bricks, and urban houses we can find it is built of cement, glass and wood. Okay, then we can find that in the rural areas we can mainly find single story houses. Single story houses we can find. Single story houses. Okay, but in the case of urban areas we can mainly find double story or multi-story buildings we can see. Double story or multi-story buildings we can see. Okay, multi-story buildings we can find in the urban area. Okay, so how it is different? In the rural area we can see single story houses, and urban areas we can find double story or multi-story building. Single story means we already told only one floor will be there, right? One floor will be there. But in the case of double story means two floors will be there. Multi-story means more than two floors will be there. That means it is look like a flat or apartment. Okay, so now we find out two differences between rural area and urban area. Okay, now can you find out any other differences, children? Yes, in the rural areas there will be more open spaces. More open space will be there. Then verandas will be there. Okay, verandas, courtyards, all will be there in the courtyards, or will be there in the rural houses. But in the case of urban houses, there will be no more open space. No more open space will be there. Okay, no more open space, no verandas, courtyards. Okay, so such type of houses can be found in urban area. That means in cities. Most of the houses are multi-story buildings, so there will be no more space for building this verandas, courtyards, etc. Okay, so no more open space will be there. The next difference, what is the next difference we can say, children? Yes, here we can see in rural areas there will be separate bathroom will be there, isn't it, children? Here separate bathroom means the bathrooms will be outside the house, isn't it? Separate bathroom. But in the case of multi-story building we can find that attached bathrooms will be there. Attached bathrooms. Okay, so attached bathrooms will be there in the urban area. That means we know each rooms there will be bathrooms in the multi-story building, right? And here separate bathrooms will be there. We know in the single story building only one family can live, right children? One family can live here, one family can live. But in the case of multi-story, buildings, yes, more family or many families can live. More families can live. Okay. In the rural areas, people may use chulas or mud stove. But in the case of urban area, people cannot use these chulas or mud stove. People use more gas stoves. So these are some differences between rural houses and urban houses. All of you take your workbook children, page number 17, rural and urban houses. Everybody write date at first. So our first question is, tick materials used to make village houses. Underline those that are used for city houses and circle those that are common to both. So first we can do material used to make village houses. You have to tick it. Okay. So which are the materials used to make village houses, children? Yes. Very good. Mud, bamboo, straw. That you can tick it. Okay, the next one is underline those that are used for city houses. City houses we use mainly cement, glass, steel, aluminium. That you can underline. Cement, glass, steel, aluminium. That you can underline. Then we can circle that materials used in both houses. That means village house and city house. Or we can find, yes, wood and brick. Wood and brick also used in both houses. So you can circle wood and brick. Okay. Then second question is, write at least 5 differences between a village house and a city house. So we can find out many differences. Madam already told the differences between the city house and village house. So which are the difference we can write? 5 enough to write. So one you can write it. The village houses are made up of the materials used to build the village houses are mud, bricks. Okay, then another column you can write the city houses are made by using bricks, using cement, glass, aluminium, wood, like that you can write. Okay, one difference. Second difference we can write that village house has thatched roof. Few rooms only will be there in village houses, but more rooms will be there in the city house. Okay, in village house we can write there will be bathroom will be outside the house. Okay, but in the city house bathrooms will be attached bathrooms will be there. Okay, then we can write there will be more open spaces in the village houses. Open spaces, verandas, everything will be there in the village houses. But in the case of city houses, there will be no open spaces, no veranda will be there. Okay, so like that way you can write the differences. So any 5 difference you can write. Okay, first one, village house made of bricks and mud. City house made of cement, glass, wood, aluminium, like that you can write. Okay, then few rooms will be there in the village house, more rooms will be there in the city house. Okay, then there will be separate kitchen will be there in the there do not have a separate kitchen in village house we can write, but there will be separate kitchen will be there in the city house. No more open space will be there in village house. More open space will be there in the more open space will be there in the village house, but no more open space will be there in the city house. Then we can write bathrooms will be outside the house in the village house, but in the case of city house bathrooms will be attached bathrooms will be there. So like that way you can write the differences between the village house and city house. Now we have to write third question. Write 2 things that can change a village house into a city house. So we know village house. How is village house? Yes, village house is single story we told. So what we can do to make it as to make it a city house, what we can do? Yes, we can change the single story building into multi-story, okay, or double story. We can make it. So how can we write the answer? Yes, it will become multi-story building with many rooms, with many floors, modern kitchen, okay, etc. Like that way we can write the answer. So next everybody need to take textbook. We can discuss the practice question. Okay. So first practice question, fill in the blanks. So one among this A only we discussed in the fill in the blanks question. One only we discussed. Thousands of years ago, when people moved from one place to another, they lived in dash. Yes, caves. Houses in cities today are mostly dash building. Yes, houses in cities today are multi-story building. Okay. In earlier time, houses in dash had verandas and courtyards. Yes, houses in cities had verandas and courtyards. Nowadays, many houses in villages are made of dash. Yes, bricks. Many houses in villages are made of bricks nowadays. People in villages usually cook their food in dash. In villages, people cook food usually in mud stove or chula. Huts made of mud have dash roofs. Yes, it has thatched roof. Thatched. Okay. T-H-A-T-C-H-E-D. Thatched. Thatched roof. Next we discussed second and third we discussed, and fourth one also. What three things would you want in a house and why? 2, 3, 4 we discussed. Now we have to discuss fifth one. Why are houses changing in cities? Why are houses changing in cities, children? Yes, the houses in cities are changing because the village people, the people from village go to cities for job. There are no more space there in the cities. So people need to build houses there, isn't it? But there is no more spaces there. That is why people are building multi-story building. That is why the houses in cities are changing. Okay. So why the houses in cities are changing? The people from villages go to cities for job. Okay. So the people need to build their houses. Hence there is no more space there. That is why people are building multi-story building. So the houses in cities are changing. Why do people live in different houses? People live in different houses because some houses are costly for some people. That is the one reason. Second reason, some people want to live in big houses. Okay. Then third reason, some people want to live in small houses. Okay. So these are the some reason people build different houses. Okay. Then seventh question we already discussed. Now eighth one, which is better living in multi-story building or in a single story house? Why? This is your own answer need to write. Okay, so you can suppose if you like to live in multi-story building, you can write I would like to live in multi-story building because I want to live in big house. Okay, you can write. Okay, then if you want to live in single story building, you can write I would like to live in single story building because single story houses have more open spaces, lawns, verandas. Okay, like that way you can write the answer. So that is your own answer you can give. Okay, so this much enough for today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.